Hi, and welcome back to Wig Studio One. I'm Eileen. Today we're going to look at Tress Allure. This style is called Bliss. The color, Satin Blonde Rooted. If you're new here, welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Follow us along here. This wig was provided by Wig Studio One for review for you today. There will be a link in the drop down box, so just be sure to expand the drop down box for a link where you can order this wig. Now, if you need to get in touch with us at any time, please contact us at support@wigstudio1.com, and you can also chat live with the personal hair consultants during normal business hours on the wigstudio1.com website. So if you need us for anything, please don't hesitate to reach out to support. Alright, Bliss is a longer style, much longer than I would normally wear. So I decided to start this video with this wig in a ponytail to show you that, I like to keep some of these longer wigs in my wig closet, especially during the fall and winter, so you can pull them back, wear them with hats. They're great to have a few. So that's why I started it off this way. I just want to show you this is great in a ponytail. Easily done, as you can see. I just pulled it back, pulled this little scarf on it, and I think it looks great with a turtleneck like this. You keep it from rubbing a lot on your clothes that way if you wear it in a ponytail. So some of these longer styles really are great to have. Now, you will need to maintain them. Be sure to always keep a wide tooth comb and brush through it a couple times during the day just to make sure you keep it free from any tangles. And when you take it off in the evening, be sure to spray the ends with some type of detangling spray. Run your wide tooth comb through it. Make sure all the tangles are out before you put it away, and it'll last you a lot longer that way. Alright, so Bliss is a synthetic style. I'm going to take it down out of my ponytail. So this is a long synthetic style, parted down the middle, as you can see. The fit on me was large. Tress Allure usually fits me pretty large. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference, and this definitely needs to be taken in. So I just wanted to talk to you about that. There is some permatease running through the sides here. Now you can tell it's not a lot. You can see it's just giving it the shape. It has these long layers in the front. They're very layered, the front. And then let's have a look at the back. Just a beautiful long style. I know a lot of people love these long styles like this. I think it's like a light to average nudity, I would say. And again, you're going to see the mono top here, but I would say about right here you start to feel a little bit of permatease there to give it that shape, and there is some at the nape as well. So on Bliss, the fringe is coming in at 10.75 to 12. So you see, this is very layered. 10.75 to 12. The crown on this one is 12.5 to 13.5. The nape is 10.5, and it weighs 5 ounces. Now, this is available in 22 different shades. And again, this is Satin Blonde Rooted. Let's have a look at this color. I want you to have a really good look at this. It's 3 tones of platinum, and it's got dark gold, light gold. It has this medium brown root, as you can see, but you can really see these different shades of gold running through here. Very well blended with the platinum, all on this medium brown root. Okay, again, like I said, this fit me kind of large, so just to let you know that, again, I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. I'm going to show you the inside of the cap real quick. Beautiful cap. It is a mono top and a lace front, as you can see. Large mono. Now it does have a seam here. Lace front, extended lace front, and then open wefted Velcro adjusters and an extended felt nape. And just to give you another look, now keep in mind these blonde shades, these studio lights can really lighten these, so I want to show you this in some different lighting. Thank you for joining me today and stopping by our channel here at Wig Studio One. Again, please like and subscribe to this channel and follow us over on Instagram as well. Like I said, I know this style's really too long for me, but I just wanted to show you that it's kind of fun to have some of these longer styles in your wig wardrobe, just to have to wear with hats, to wear in ponytails. So if you haven't tried one, maybe give one a try. Thank you again, and I'll see you next time.